It's a big green tick for you. X is the answer. So we've learned that Joule is a special one row, one column table that exists in all Oracle database installations. But what's the point of it? Why would you use this instead of a real table? Well, sometimes in your application you want to select the value from a function or a value that doesn't exist in a real table. Other databases allow you to do this by having a select query without a from clause. But this is impossible in Oracle database. The from clause is mandatory, so you need to supply a table. You could use a real table in your application to select the value from a function, but using Joule has a couple of advantages. First up, it's guaranteed to be in every Oracle database installation you have. So you don't need to hunt around your application for a suitable small table and add the clause where row number equals 1 to guarantee it returns exactly one row. Secondly, we've optimized access to Joule. If you don't include dummy in your results, then the query does no I/O, so it's faster than using a real table. A saving that can really add up if you run it often. Another common reason to use Joule is to generate rows. This can be useful if data in your table includes gaps. For example, say you want to generate a report showing the number of orders customers placed each day in January, but there are some days when nobody bought anything. So if you just group your orders table by day and count the rows, there will be some dates that are missing from your report. People tend not to like this. They much prefer to see every single day in January, with those days with no orders having a count of 0 in them. By querying Joule and adding the clause connect by level less than or equal to some number after it, the table will return that number of rows. So you can generate a row for every day in January by querying Joule, generating 31 rows, and then in the select clause, adding the row number to the 31st of December the previous year. This gives you every day in January, and you can then outer join your orders table to this on the day. So now you can get the count of orders placed each day. Just remember, only ever query Joule. If you start fiddling with it in any other way, strange things can happen and you can break your application. Thanks for watching. Has this answered your questions about Joule? And what do you think about the video quiz format? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more SQL magic.